about to go and pick up the keys to my new place, my new apartment. I actually saw the apartment last week, and I paid for it last week. And today I'm gonna go pick up the keys. And I was very full of emotions last week when I was going to see the place, but today it's like I'm actually going to hold the keys to my place and actually have a place. It's gonna be my place on my own. So the emotions are interesting, and yeah, the emotions are interesting. That's all I can really say. Alright guys, this is my place now. This is the grand tour. This is the bed. This is the wardrobe with good shelf space and even a place to hang stuff. This is obviously gonna be my like table situation. I'm thinking I'll put my mirror here. I just have to find a way to move this somewhere else. Maybe I'll just put it there under that table. But this is where my mirror will go. Also, some decor stuff will go up there. This is the kitchen. And this is the bathroom with a working shower. I tested all the water stuff. Water is working. Yeah. So welcome to Deola's new humble abode that I'm packing to my new home. Some of my decor, some of my shoes. I'm taking stuff a bit at a time, but by Friday, today's Tuesday, by Friday I should be all done, and then I'll be gone by the weekend. So this is just like books, some kitchen stuff. This is basically like decor and books. This is mostly books. I actually have a lot of books and documents and like important like financial and school documents. Yeah, this is me packing. Put my things in, my first set of things in. Mostly the stuff here are like decor, and then some clothes, some knickknacks, some decor, also some kitchen and bathroom stuff I've started putting together. So day by day until Sunday, I will be bringing a bit of stuff here, and by Sunday I should be all done. Yeah. So after work I just come to the apartment. I haven't moved out officially from my parents' house yet. But what I've been doing is that after work I come to the apartment to chill and wait out traffic, and I kind of just walk around and imagine myself living here. Like, even though I don't live here officially yet, I'm gonna move in a couple of days. I went to the market and I went to buy stuff. I think I went to buy, what was I looking for? I was looking for hangers. Let me put this back down. And then I ended up buying knives and stuff. So I was like in the kitchen, I was like, I can see myself making myself breakfast, or I can see myself making myself food, washing my dishes. I haven't got to my cooker yet, but I'm gonna get that in the next salary. But like, I can see myself living here, making this place my home, and it just feels very good. I'm pretty emotional. I can't believe I even have the time to like do this like a mini vlog. I don't even know if I'm going to put this up. But like, I feel very emotional about this. I'm really happy and proud of myself. So like, it's 1 a.m. in the morning, and this is gonna be one of the last nights in my parents' house, and I feel super, not somehow, but just like super emotional. I acknowledge that I have interesting feelings about all of this. And the funny thing, or I'd say the most interesting thing about all of this is that I went to the doctor yesterday because um, my throat has been giving me some issues for quite some time, and they ran some tests, and I honestly thought they were gonna be like, oh, you have a sore throat, you have a throat infection, take these biotics, I thought they were gonna just say, take these drugs and go. It turns out that they actually ran a malaria test on me, and I actually have malaria. It's really weird because I swear to you, I did not expect to go to the hospital for them to tell me I have malaria. I went there to expect them to tell me I have a sore throat and to give me drugs, and I go on my merry way. Now that I think about it, my body has been doing me somehow for quite some time, but I thought it was because of my mood and all the emotions. I basically thought my body was just physically reacting to everything going on, but no, I actually have malaria. Like, I have malaria and a throat infection, funny enough. I have drugs for the infection for my stomach and malaria drugs. So, Deola is moving in the middle of an illness. And I'm also on my period at the same time. I don't understand how this works. Somebody else has to explain this to me, how I'm on my period, I have malaria and a throat infection, and I'm moving. Like, all of this combined is just, it's a lot. It's a lot. It's 1 a.m. It's raining right now. My skin has been so bad for a couple of days. Moving is not good for your skin, for your body. It's not good for you at all, but it's necessary. Necessary. So, the last time you guys saw me was 1 a.m. in the morning. I was definitely having a fever. Like, I was definitely lost and out of it. I was saying that I was still gonna move on Sunday. I woke up this morning and I was like, no, I'm not. I'm gonna be in my parents' house for 1 more week, as malaria has shocked me, and malaria has forced me into bed. I have like full blown malaria. I can feel it everywhere in my body. I can't. I have to, if I'm gonna leave, but if I'm gonna leave tomorrow, I have so much I have to do. I have to clean the room, clean the bathroom, and it's not anything I can do right now. So I'm just going to wait until next weekend, which will be, I think, a better weekend if I think about it. Let me check my calendar. Oh yeah, moving in the last weekend is a better weekend in my opinion. That's a much better weekend. Because I just started a new month. Because actually the month is about to end. Oh my god, Halloween ideas. I start thinking of Halloween ideas. Okay, but this is not about that. This is about the move and everything around the move that's happening. I went through the store. Me and my mom, we had a conversation about my move today. I went to the store. We have a store at the back of the house here where my mom keeps stuff. And I went to the store and I got some bowls, plates. I got some stuff down. So that reduces the list of things that I need to buy when I move. That greatly reduces it. It's Sunday. I'm in bed. I feel much better than yesterday. Much better. I've taken my morning drugs. I was supposed to move today, but I'm gonna rest. I need to chill. I need to rest and chill. I had breakfast. Now I'm in bed. That's all. That's all I'm doing today. That's it. I'm about to leave my bed in my new place, and I know it's not a special thing, but it's special because it's the first time I'm laying in my bed, and I have a pillow, and I'm going to lie down I haven't been feeling well. I don't know. I think I said it in the last couple of clips that I'm recovering, or I had malaria, which is why I didn't move when I wanted to move. But now here I am, about to pack, about to lay my bed and take a nap because I'm tired. So I just laid my bed. I'm currently lying down in my bed and I'm eating lunch slash dinner right now, and it feels good. I'm in my own space. I am going to my parents' house in a couple of hours. It just feels good that I can come here and lie down and be in my own place. And excuse me, sooner or later, I just won't be coming here after work. I'll be coming here and living here. Scary but exciting at the same time. I'm just going to eat my Chicken Republic. I just can't manage myself because the malaria is still affecting my body. So I have to eat, take my drugs, and will myself to feel better. I'm in my bed, in my place, and it feels so good. It feels so good to be in my space. And I'm sad that I have to go back to my parents' house. But I enjoy being in my space, and I can't wait to start using my space the way I want to use my space. I can actually imagine living here, being here, surviving here. This place already feels like home. It's small, but it's my home. It's Friday night. It's like past almost 1 a.m. And this is my final night in the Adebiyi household. I feel many things, but the main thing I feel is hungry. I'm waiting for my food from Midnight City to get here. I also feel kind of relieved. I feel a lot of things, but I don't think I can explain the words. Why I will miss this room. I will miss this bed. My new bed is smaller than this, but it's still a good bed. Let me show you guys my empty table. I've never seen my table this empty. Look at how empty my table is. This is possibly the last thing I'm taking downstairs with me. I'm taking this down tonight when I go outside to go and get my food. This is some fake money I made for a shoot. I'm still going to use it. In fact, I should put this in my bag right here. But this is my brother's hyaluronic acid I've been using. These are some perfumes, but they're not mine, they're from my mom. And my table is empty. My table is so empty and clear, it's so crazy. This used to be my wardrobe, but now I actually have wardrobe space to hang stuff and not stuff it in these boxes. These are the last of my stuff. This is my room, and I'm going to miss it. This is the bed I cried on. The bed I've thought of so many ideas. The bed I've edited so many videos. That bed is where so many ideas, so many videos, so many songs, so many playlists, so many things happened in this bed. So many things happened in this room, this floor I stand on, and it's a lot. It's a lot. So, today's the day. I have spoken to my dad and spoken to my mom. I know my mom's going to give me one last lecture. But, yeah, I'm moving out. I'm currently sitting on my bed with no bed sheet. It's bare, the table is empty, wardrobe is empty. All my bags and boxes are outside packed. All I have left is like my bag, like stuff. All I have left out is like my laptop that I'm using to watch YouTube videos until I leave, because me and my brother are going to my place at 3 p.m. I'm pretty emotional, but at the same time very relieved, because this is something I've wanted to do for a long time, and I'm getting to do it, and I'm doing it. This is something that I know is going to be good for me, my mental health, and better for my life. And I'm pretty sure in the video I released before this vlog, I go into like a bit more detail on the details of why I decided to move and things like that. Just knowing that I'm going to have some sort of
control in another area of my life is just, it's just great. And it's just, I'm happy I'm finally taking control of my triggers, of my trauma, and all the things that I know fuck with me. I'm happy that I'm taking the I'm getting the opportunity to do this. And even though it's been fight and battle, but I'm just so happy that I can fucking move out. This is the first morning after my first night in my new apartment. It definitely took me a while to sleep. I don't know if it was because I went out and I was resting, or because I'm in my new place. But it did take me a while to sleep, but I eventually slept and I woke up and it didn't show. I've woken up in the same room since I was in secondary school. Not every night, but like mostly every night. I've woken up in the same bed since SS1 in one place, and now here I am waking up in a new space. And I thought it would freak me out. Maybe it will later, but it hasn't. I posted about my move on Twitter and Instagram, and I got such an overwhelming amount of love and support. But also, I got a lot of, oh, are you ready for all the bills you have to pay? Are you ready for this? Are you ready for that? Fam, I'm not ready. I mean, I don't think anybody's ready for adulthood and being on their own. But if that is the price I have to pay for a better mental health, for happiness, for control over my mental health, and for so many other things, then bring it on. I have gone through so much in life that this I should be able to do. If I perish, I perish. But I'm a strong enough, smart enough, capable enough woman of doing this. People have done it before me. I will not be the first. I will not be the last. So, yeah. So this, my friends, is the end of the moving vlog. I've officially moved. I'm officially in my house. I'm in my space. As you can see, I slept in my own bed. I'm eating biscuits because I don't have stuff yet. But when everything is fitted out, once the space is where exactly I want it to be, I'm gonna do a tour of my little place. It's a small place, it's a cozy space, but it's my space and it's convenient for me. So I'll do a tour once everything's all fitted in and nice and done. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you for watching my moving vlog. Hope you enjoyed it, were entertained. Please don't forget to subscribe, share this video with your friends, and yeah, I love you all. Bye.